Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to review the Aldi solar spotlight. The ones I've got are warm white LED. Initially I bought one of them and then I went back and bought the four. So in total I had 5 of them, but so far only 4 have been working. The other one did not work, so I had to take it back and I got a refund. But so far so good. I'm happy with the lights. My garden was really dark, but now at least there's a little bit of light coming out of my garden, and these ones are charged using the solar panel that is attached on top. According to the instruction, the solar panel can be fully charged in one day. That's around 10 to 12 hours with good sunlight, and they do operate for about 6 to 8 hours, which is a good range when they're fully charged. And the clean instruction for this solar spotlight is to use a damp cloth to clean them. So as you can see, my garden is starting to look a little bit bright. As you can see, there's one of the light on the side. So far I've got 4 of them on the garden. As I mentioned before, the one I bought 5, but one of them was not working, so I had to take it back. Make sure you stick all the way to the end of this video, as I will show you the brightness of the solar spotlight when it's pitch black. Video while I was inside the house. As you can see, the brightness of the solar spotlight is decent. I mean, can't complain. So as you can see, the 4 lights shining. The one in the middle, I think I got it from Poundland a while ago, and is bright white. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.